everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Resalat from AI Community BUBT. We are very excited to support the AI BuildFest 2026. So, this is the great opportunity for all the students who wants to explore AI, who want to work with real build projects, and who wants to connect with mentors and industrial leaderships. So, if you want to learn things by doing, so do not miss this platform. This is for you. And we really want to see more students from our campus who will gonna step into innovation, collaboration, and leadership through this BuildFest. So, students, developers, and builders, do not delay and register now and represent your campus through this BuildFest 2026. Thank you.